This video is going to show you how you can use categories inside of Unreal Engine to make it easier to find your functions, macros, variables, and other things. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to add a function, and under category, we can change this to something else. Let's just type in 𝗟𝗡𝗣𝗅 for the sake of this. And now you can see we have a category for this function called 𝗟𝗡𝗅. So if we go here and add another one, we can use this drop-down menu to find the existing categories, or just type a new one. Let's call this one test. So we now have new function and new function 0, and they are under 𝗟𝗡𝗅 and test. If I right click in here, I can now search for new function, and I can find them under call function, which is the one I have selected. And then I can find them under the 𝗟𝗡𝗅 section here for the function, and also this function right here. It appears twice here because I haven't compiled. So if I compile and save, you can see now that it's only just the one here. What you didn't know though is that you can actually do nested categories. So you can have a category that's nested in another category in another category. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to just simply go in here, add a new function. From the drop-down menu, go to 𝗟𝗡𝗅. And then inside of here, I can add a vertical bar. It's between the Shift key and the Z key. If I hold down Alt-GR on my keyboard and press that, I get the vertical bar. So space, vertical bar, and then space. I think it's underneath the backspace key on the US keyboard. And if you have a numpad, you can press and hold down Alt and press 1, 2, 4, and then release Alt. And then you can also get the bar that way. And once you have the bar, you can add other categories. So now I have 𝗟𝗡𝗅. Let's add wick and then do the same, add another bar. And let's call this one test. So now we have 𝗟𝗡𝗅, wick, test, and this function is nested inside of this structure. Compile. Now if I right click and then go under new function, you can see that we have this function nested underneath all of this. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.